mina ngibizwa ngesidamdama. I always say this because Zipho, I pray to God ngathi uNkulunkulu, I don't think ukuqonda kwami ngingakwazi ukungihambisa indlela ekumele ngihambe. Njengoba ngibizwa ngesidamdama sephiyazini, mina umuntu ngishaya la manje nonke nibukele ningibuke ngikhala.
Yeah.
Ngizitshele nami ngiconclude ngisike ngiphinde ngimkhulumisa. Mekwaqhamuka ngismile azathi ngiyifake. Ngikhohliwe literal. Inhliziyo yami ngaye ikiphuthana. Yazi nakazi ngithanda umuntu ungasafuni.
Yeah.
Ngimthanda ngingasafuni. Angenza ngiphindelele. Kunalokho ngiyekena ngiyothi ukuba uyazi usikuthanda kangakanani njengoba wenza u1 no2 no3. And I think that is why uNkulunkulu engalenza iphutha ukuthi maye babusisa ngangishiya. And mina bafethu mina I declare lapha phambi kwena ngifuni lento ukuthi mase niyibona yenzeka ngelinye ilanga nithi makhumalo wenze ingane.
Awenza kangaka.
Mina bafethu ngiyatshala ngenhliziyo yami enhle uNkulunkulu angiphendulela. Angizilwi mina izimpi ezingenasixoxo.
Yeah.
Angizilwi noma ningaze ningiphaphe ukuthi we uyabayeka benza umsebenzi wabo ukungiphusha. Ngiyabadinga futhi ukuthi babe khona because uma bengekho abantu abakuchallenge empilweni ngiyuchallenge futhi ngiyokhula. Musu kubaxosha bayeke babe khona balethela ukuzokulekelela. Kufana nomuntu obekela ukuthi uhlezi umnikeza umondla ungambukeli phansi. Uyena great uyena owenza impumelelo yakho loyo uNkulunkulu
yena through wena.
Ngeke aze uNkulunkulu akubusise ungazange uhambe yonikeza lo muntu ubekelwe impumelelo yakho uzumbuke kabe umnika umfela ngamathi kanti awazi ukuthi ureceive uhlabasuka yena konqamu kumthombo because uNkulunkulu umbekela ukuthi nje ubusiseke wena cabanga strategically bese wena umuntu uthi ungayibambi inhliziyo ethi nikela ungabibambi inhliziyo ethi phana ungayibambi.
Yes.
Every opportunity oyithola mina ngikhuluma ngene umfundisi guys anginenge imali angifuneni nginikelele no ngisho nje mina emhlangana nomuntu umuphi imali kungonakele lutho umphukudla kungonakele lutho yazi usitshontshe sibusiso.
So Makhumalo has been venting out since she's been trending from the last episode. The fact that it was revealed that she pays insurances for the wives, and she does contribute, even though Msele was not too clear that she pays with her own money or she pays from the Mselegu Trust Fund, whatever the case it is. But the bottom of the line of the matter is she is the only one. She's not the only one, but she's the one who's working a lot, and then she's the only one who doesn't have a family, basically, beside Umtana lo. So chances are she does assist Mselegu there and there. Umangwabo wouldn't assist other bafazi ngemali yakhe because uney'ngane zakhe and usebenzele ekhaya girl. So Umthobile uyena run around enza izinto on behalf of Umseleko if Umseleko is busy because she's hands-on, she's business-minded, you know, she's not just the housewife who's chilling at home. But she just had a meltdown and she decided to see Ati and I don't know what she's trying to convince us or not, but she's like, I've got a good heart, but sometimes slimmer because, you know, I'm the one, you know, I do 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, but God is gonna pay me child. We don't know about that, whether God will pay you back or not. But at the end of the day, what she chose to be one of the Musa Mselegu's wives. But at that time I'm assuming she was young, she was naive. Girl, she didn't know to she be who she is now. But then again, I don't think she was gonna be this Tobile if she was not married to Mseleko. Do you get me? So she did get a lot of things from inheriting the surname Mseleko of being uTobile. Unazi imali zakhe njengamanje uyakwazi usicela umndeni wakhe ube right, and then it's only fair that she contributes to the Mseleko family, right? Yeah, but then she had a meltdown where she trying to praise herself for what this is how she feels, and then she's like ngabonza akhuluma ngabafazi bakhe kuthi kade kodwa wayenza kanjena bebe kanje ngithi bayekeni ukhuluma ngama sister wives. So yeah, listen to Tobile venting all she wants, because at the end of the day she feels that South Africa now is aware that she does a lot for that family. Nabo mayeni baze babaleka abahamba ngoba bengafuna ukucela imoto kuThobile. Ukhumbula ukuthi the other day futhi kunemoto le eyathathwa ke nenikeza ingane kamangwabe lena umngane macele leyana lena ingane kaMangwabe ingane kaMacele. I think yakwanikeza ingane kaMacele imoto ithathwe kuyena futhi yabo. So she's that girl, but yeah, it's what she signed up for. You sign up for it, my baby. You gotta provide, you gonna show up. This is your family too. Okay, singisizo ke kuma comment, let's engage, let's talk. Would you be that wife who contributes to the family like yasemzini, even though you don't have kids, even though your husband has other wives? Would you contribute money wise to help indoda yakho ukuthi iyondlela abanye abafazi? Ungakwenza wena lokho? Yes.